Hello, let us discuss if else ladder construct to test number of the conditions available. So again, let us open a file saved file from the file menu and then selecting the open option and then select the file containing code for this one. So that is experiment number 4C. So exp, so this is the file exp4c.c. So let us open this file. So file gets opened. So here comment is written, C program to find largest among four numbers entered by user using if else ladder statement. So let us try to understand how to find the largest from the four numbers using the if else ladder. So in this program we include the standard input output.h and conio.h using the preprocessor directive #include. Then first statement of the main function declares integer variables n1, n2, n3, n4 for storing the four integer numbers entered by the user and LG for storing the largest number. Then clear screen statement clears anything previously written on the output screen. Then printf statement prints a message that is required before scanf function. So enter four numbers. So this message is displayed on the output screen, whereby user when enter the four number and press the enter key, those four numbers are taken in by the scanf function and stored with the variable n1, n2, n3 and n4. Now here if in condition if n1 is greater than n2, double ampersand sign that is used for the AND operation. If n1 is greater than n2 and n1 is greater than n3 and n1 is greater than n4, that is first number is greater than second number, third number and fourth number. Naturally first now if this condition is true, we have to print largest is the first number. Then in else we again here if else if statement is included together with the else. So else if condition is n2 is greater than n1 and n2 is greater than n3 and n2 is greater than n4, that is n2 is greater than n1 first number, third number and fourth number. If this condition is true, then we print the largest is the n2, that is second number. Again in the if part we include else if this condition is not true, then else if number 3 is greater than number 1 and number 3 is greater than number 2 and greater than number 4. If this condition is true, we print largest equal to n3. If this condition is not true, then else part of this if is largest equal to number 4. And finally, what is the value of largest? that is gets printed here. Print f largest equal to percentage d, what is the value of LG, that gets printed at this point. So here this construct is that here we are writing in else part, else if, then again else if. So in this way this construct is known as, it looks like a ladder. If we go on inserting the if else part in a similar way, then it is called if else ladder. So here more condition can be tested, or if more options are present, we can use to select one out of more option using the if else ladder. Now let us run this program and try to understand how this program display the largest of the four numbers. So before running, first we will compile, and here in compiling window you see that no warning and no error is displayed. So we can here run the program. Let us run the program. So on output screen message is number, enter four numbers. Suppose we enter four number like this: 34, 21, 67 and 54. And when we press the enter key, so enter number is 34, 21, 67 and 54. So largest number is 67, that should be displayed when we press the enter key. So largest equal to 67. Now let us go to the coding window and try to understand how this largest number is selected and displayed. Then press the enter key, coding window is seen. So here N1, when condition is tested, N1 is greater than N2. So N1 is 34, greater than N2, that is 21. This condition is true. But N1 is greater than N3. N3 is 67. This condition is false. So in AND operation, whenever one condition is false, so total output is going to be false. So this condition is false. So we goes to the else if part. So in else if, condition is that N2 is greater than N1. N2, that is 21, is greater than N1. N1 is 34. So condition is here false. So we goes to the another if else statement. If condition is false, we have to move the else part, and in else again if statement is there. So in this one, N3 is greater than N1. N3 is 67. So this condition is true. Again N3 is greater than N2. N2 is 21. So again this condition is true. And N3 is greater than N4. Again 67 is greater than 54. Condition is true. So naturally when these conditions are ANDed, the output is going to be true. So it means that condition is true. When condition is true, LG equal to N3. What is the value of N3? That is assigned to the variable LG. Then control comes out of the else if ladder, and out of the else if ladder here we see that print f largest equal to percentage d. What is the value of LG? That gets printed here. So in this way we find that largest value 67 gets printed at the output scan. So in this way we discussed 4 examples on nested if else statement and if else ladder.